how to turn on or off incognito mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to turn on incognito mode and turn it off again on your Safari on iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open up Safari and then you can see two square like icons in the bottom right corner. Tap on it and there you can see private. Tap on it. Now private browsing adds additional privacy protection for tabs, and after you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited. So you just need to tap on the plus icon and the incognito mode will open. Now if you want to turn it off, then you can go to the two squares icon again and then go to the tabs. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.